Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Loops theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application first by clicking on this update button. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Facebook Messenger application. So once you've done that, you simply need to open any conversation and click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme, and from here you need to scroll down and select the loops theme. So here you can see, click on that and click on that. So now you can see that loops theme is activated. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.